Welcome in to Ladybird Loves. My name is Khadijah and I am here to give you another reminder about the KAL, which is starting on this channel in January, the first Monday of January. Now I like to do things that are outside of my comfort zone from time to time. Exactly. So, and it's nice to kind of encourage you guys to come out of your comfort zone too. Now, I'm no designer, but I have done one of these particular KALs before, and it's amazing to have you guys join along. Hello. With Bean and I. And maybe learn something or do something that you haven't done before. That is the whole idea of this KAL. Now, the KAL is basically making triangles, not to make bunting, but to make an afghan. I have asked you guys to get yourselves 5 colours and 1 colour for your border, which can be variegated or ombre or solid, but make sure that your 5 main colours are solid, because your triangles are going to be different stitches, and to show a lot of stitches, a solid colour is best. Now, if you want to go variegated and you don't want to see the stitches, go variegated and don't show the stitches. But I thought, why not show you guys what I am planning? And I haven't opened this yet, so I'm I'm doing it with you. And those that know me may well be a little bit surprised at the choice for my KAL. Oh, do you mind? Now I need to move them out of the way. Okay, match. And that out of the way. Now my border, I will be using Lion Brand Mandala Ombre. It is in the colour Happy. And there are the colours that it comes out as. We have orange, teal, red, orange, as in like a slightly darker orange, a green, and a blue. That's going to be my border. Now I'm doing my KAL in Aran. You can do it in Aran or DK. This is one of my solid colours because there's red in this. I wanted red in this. So this is Yarn Smith's Create in a bright red. That's one. I can't even reach. There we go. The next is Wendy Supreme. And they only have like numbers and letters, but this is SA24 orange, the red and the orange. Then here's my green, which is grass green, to go with the border. And then I have my teal, and that's exactly what it's called. It's called teal. Again, Yarn Smith's Create. And then my last colour is my blue, and we're back to Wendy Supreme, and this is the shade SA32. So here's my border, and here are my main colours. So if I put them all together, if I can, they should go together. Now, what I am saying to you guys is, if you'd like to join in on the cowl, what I need you to do is to email me at ladybirdlovescrochet@gmail.com. It is always in the description if you lose it, but you need to email me and let me know that you'd like to join in, because it's going to be live, but only for the people who will have the link. And those people with the link are those that email me and say, hey Khadijah, I want to join in. Let me make fun of you while you're crocheting. Because that's what happens. Like, people laugh, I laugh, I do a lot of cringing and going, oh my gosh, because it's very, very nerve-wracking doing this particular type of thing in a live. But if you'd like to be there for the rawness of the live, or even watch the replay of said live, then we're doing it once a week for 25/26 weeks, depending. We may be able to combine a couple of weeks because some stitches are going to be easier than others. But what will happen is each week we will have 2 wheels. One wheel will represent your colours. One wheel will represent stitches. Each week we will spin both wheels. A number with your colour will come up. A stitch will come up. And you will do that stitch in your colour, whichever colour you have chosen to represent whichever number. And we will make 2 triangles a week of 6 inches. Now, I'm a really slow crocheter, and doing a very, very long stitch of a puff stitch, it takes me about 50 minutes to do 1 triangle. So 2 hours a week, approximately. Some of you are going to be like, I can do that in 10 minutes. Great. Well done. I'm just letting you know, my thing is, it'll be about, we'll say an hour. So 2 hours a week. And then the next week we'll do the next one. And then at the end, we will put these triangles together into a certain pattern, and they will make an afghan. So if you'd like to join in, email me, please. I will email you back just the once to say you're in, I've got you on the list. And then when it comes to January, day before the live, I will send the link through your email, and you can join in the live or watch the replay. When the entire cowl is finished, I will then go and edit all of the lives bit by bit by bit. When everything is edited, then I'll be making them public. But of course, the lives may be an hour, maybe, and I'm going to get that shortened right down as much as I can, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, maybe each. So you could be missing out on a lot. Who knows? You'll know if you've signed up and if you join in, and it'll be lovely to have you join in. So email me, and hopefully we'll all see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.